Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a review on a tool that I purchased recently, the Makita DCG 180, which most people don't even realize that these exist, I don't think. But it is a battery-powered caulking gun, and it's part of the 18-volt LXT series of tools from Makita. And the reason that I purchased this tool is that I have issues with my hands, with the strength in my hands, as well as arthritis in my hands. And I still need to do jobs around the house that require a caulking gun, and also jobs around my RV that require a caulking gun as well. And without tools like this, I become very limited with what I can do, and I'm not ready to throw in the home renovation towel or the ability to be able to do things to my RV. And one of the things that a powered caulking gun will do over a regular caulking gun is the ability to have enough power to push out high viscosity caulking. So one of the jobs that I have to do on my RV this summer is install my solar panels. And when I put the panels on the roof, they will get screwed down with the brackets, but I also wanted to use an adhesive as well that will be a sealant as well as an adhesive. And some of those adhesives are extremely difficult to get out of the caulking tube. So I wanted to have a tool that would do that. And some of the features of this unit, it is variable speed in the sense that you can set it on the back here. You have 1 to 5 for the amount that the plunger pushes in and the speed of it. So if you're working on, say, a construction site and you're putting down decking, plywood decking, and you need to get a lot of caulk out of the gun in a quick amount of time, this thing is great because, you can set it up to 5. So let's do that. And it just basically like shoots it out like crazy. And if you're doing delicate jobs, you can set it right down to 1, and it basically comes out at a crawl. And then you can have somewhere in between where it shoots it out a little bit quicker. So now when you heard that little whee, that's basically the tool pulling back the plunger, which helps with caulking not flying out of the tube when you're done pulling the trigger. Now, I don't think there's a caulking gun out there that'll completely eliminate any caulking coming out of the tube after you let off on the gun, but you can see here that there's nothing pushing out of it at this point. Now, some of the features: it has a 360 swivel on the front here, so that allows you to, no matter what angle that you need to work at, and however you've cut off your caulking tube, you're able to adjust, how you do that. It weighs a few pounds, so it's not, as light as a regular caulking gun for sure. But I don't have an issue with lifting something up. I have an issue with my hands holding on to, and being able to pull a trigger. So I'm able to work with this quite well. And one of the other jobs that I need to do this summer is start recaulking some of the windows in my house. And like I said, I end up being in a lot of pain when I'm using my hands a lot. So now, it's the 18-volt LXT series lithium-ion cordless tool. Makita has a wide variety of tools that take the batteries and work on the chargers. Now, I bought the kit And it comes with this rapid charger, which is really great because it can charge up all the batteries from 1.5 amp hours all the way up to like 5 amp with no problem at all, and at a very quick pace. So you can have, you know, multiple batteries. And that's the other thing. I mean, I own a lot of Makita tools and they've been very reliable for me. And this isn't a paid advertisement. Nobody gave me this tool or any of my Makita tools. I just wanted to bring this tool to my viewers' attention because I think that it could benefit a lot of folks. You know, if you're somebody that's disabled and you have issues with your hands, this could be a tool that could enable you to still do some of the jobs around the house that you need to do. Now, as far as price, it is a couple $100. It's not a cheap tool, but then again, Makita doesn't make cheap tools. I've had my skill saw for over 10 years and I have beaten the living crap out of it, and I, knock on wood, I can't kill it. Now, like I said, I did buy the kit, so it came with this bag here. And this is wonderful because this is going to allow me to put a lot of the tools that I own, my Makita tools and batteries and accessories, in the bag to tote along with us in the RV when we travel. So in closing, it's a great feature-packed Makita tool, and I think that it allows a lot of different applications. And the fact that you can adjust the amount of caulk that's coming out of the gun at one time is great for all kinds of different tasks. And it also allows you to do the more finessing type caulking if you're doing countertops and that sort of thing that requires a little bit of a less flow. So hope you found this video informative, and please subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button because it is free and it helps my channel a lot. I greatly appreciate it. And hit the notification button as I am going to be doing more reviews on some of my other Makita tools that I own and have purchased in the last little while. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Talk soon.